front of me is Samsung Galaxy M13, and today I would like to show you how you can operate pop-up view on this device. First of all, select an app like Settings and click on this button with 3 lines. Now you need to tap on the icon of your app and select Open in pop-up view. As you can see, now I can use it in this little window over here. If you wish to move it around, you can do that by holding this line. If you wish to, for example, make it smaller, you can do that by clicking Home button. If you wish to access it again, tap on the bubble. If you want to use it to overlay other apps, you can easily do that by opening the other app and then using both of them. If you wish to close your app, you can do that by clicking on this button with 3 lines again and simply closing your app in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!